Every Upwork freelancer needs to see this particular video I'm about to expose. In this video, important settings you need to work on in order to get more invite from different buyer on Upwork app. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you can work on these simple settings. Once you do this simple setting, you are going to get more jobs in your Upwork freelancer profile. Let me show you how. So for everyone using Android phone, just make sure you go to your Play Store. Then on getting to Play Store, click on search and make sure you search for Upwork. Hit on search and then make sure you download and install Upwork. After the successful download, click on open, and then if you have not logged into your Upwork account, you'll be asked to log in. Once your login is successful, then it's going to load the interface and take you right here. And there are a lot of people that are using Upwork complaining of not getting jobs, and this is one of the reasons why you are not getting job. And I'm going to fix the problem with these simple settings right here on my profile. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on your profile icon of your Upwork account. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on settings right here. And then at this point here, you want to make sure you click on profile settings. And it's going to take you right here. Now, your visibility right here, if you have your visibility to be private, there is no way you will get invite from buyer in Upwork. All you have to do is to make sure you click on here. And then you want to make sure you switch to public right here. So go ahead and switch to public and you are done. Then you can simply click on view as others see it. How the public will view your profile as a freelancer. And this is how your profile will appear onto prospective buyer on Upwork, and it's going to signify online right here. Okay, next thing you want to do is simply go back right here. Then project preference. So you want to make sure you click on here to choose your project reference. So either short-term and long-term project, 3 months plus, or short-term project. This depends on your availability. So it is always recommended that you put it in both, because both can be. So if you choose both short-term and long-term, you are possibly to get from either short-term or long-term. So make sure you put it in both right here. And then you want to make sure you scroll down right here, experience level. So here, this is experience, this is entry level. I'm relatively new to this field. Intermediate, I have substantial experience in this field. Expert, I have comprehensive and deep expertise in this field. Now, for every prospective buyer or employer, they always like to look for either intermediate or expertise. Nobody wants to give their job to somebody that wants to practice with their project. So it is always advisable that you choose intermediate, and then you are done. And then lastly, scroll down right here, and then make sure you go ahead and click on change preferences. Then go ahead and click on save preferences right here. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Upwork settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.